across from a hospital. All right, so check it out. I'm about to give Islam these pendants. Got one in green, one in red. I made both of them the night before. He doesn't know about it, so we're about to see what he thinks. All right. Yo, what's good, man? I see you over there. That's power over vanity. Yo, check us out.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah, man. Look at this. Look at this right here.
Shirt on and all
Yeah, we got the rip drip, man. Everything.
Let's go.
Yo, lead us. Look what I made for y'all last night, bro.
Oh,
Let me get the green.
That's custom made. Bro.
Oh, you got. Oh
yeah, that's both you. That's both you. I made the green one just for you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Yo, nice to meet you, man.
Go.
Jim in the building.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you, bro. It's been an honor, man.
Yo, bro.
Yo, what's up, Mel? Good to see you, man. Hell yeah, bro. Great seeing you
Come on,
again,
we
bro.
need 10 pull-ups, Jim.
All right, right off the bat, let's do it right here. All right. You got the lights up on and everything. No, I got it right here.
Let's eat. 10, 9, watch the camera. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Jim got the most
3,
visits at the HQ
2,
already, son.
1. Good money.
I'm trying to get that muscle up.
Watch out, the camera.
You got it.
Yeah.
Right over the Jim.
That's what it's for.
That was the routine we did today too. You got 10 dips.
8. Let's see. 9, 10.
That's good money.
There we go.
Money.
Yeah, man. Great to see you again, bro.
Likewise, bro.
Seriously.
That's money.
Thank you all, bro.
You got the most visits at the HQ already.
Yes, sir. Coming back every time, man.
Legendary.
Don't miss out.
Let's go.
Always stay ripping.
Let's go. He ain't
6 pack,
ripping.
big back, big facts. Yes, sir. Just left Ripright HQ, completely drenched. I got some new merch. Subscribe for more.